If you are a pastor wife, you are a Christian, you love head wrap, I call this head wrap quick and easy to achieve because there is no stress of achieving front plating. Just take your fabric, fold it into two. You see the way I fold it. All you need is just focus your eye and see the way I do the folding, and practice as well. If you love head wrap, even though you are not going to church, you just love to do things on your own, because sometimes the person you hope on can disappoint you. So just learn. If you are going to church on your Women's Day, this head wrap is very unique for young people, for elderly people, for all age group. This head style is very good. You see the way I fold it into two. Once you fold your head wrap into two, your material, fold it into two, place it on your head, cross it at the back. If you have long material, do it 50-50. If you still have a short material, do it, let one part to be longer than the other part. Then bring it to the front side and twist it to the front side. You see that this side, the one I put under my arm, by the time you want to raise it up, first you twist it so tight and raise it up. Please, my people, all I need from you is concentration, because most time I don't explain on top of my video. Sometimes I decide to explain, but though I'm explaining, the bigger part is you just focus your eye and watch the way I'm demonstrating it. That is the secret, and you practice. You can do it. Operation do it yourself. Don't be left out. You are the only one that is left out, that I cannot do anything by yourself. Auntie, try and learn. Sister, try and learn. A day will come. Somebody may disappoint you. A day may come. You may need it. Just practice this simple head wrap in case you are going to church, you are going to event. It's so unique for any dressing, any outfit. You see the way I bring it to the front side, then you knot. By the time you knot, if you have long, the both side they are, you see the way this extra side is long. So the shorter one, bring it to the front side. See the way I bring it to the front side. Then the longer one, just twist it. But if you have short length, you don't have that one to twist. Any one you get there at the back, you can use pin. If it's long, twist it to the way I twist it and use pin to protect it, or you can tucking it under the one you already twist. So my people, it's very easy. If you don't like this style, I have a lot. In fact, I have many styles on my YouTube channel, simple and difficult styles, how to achieve it by yourself. Yes. Now, you see this one that we bring to the front before. Now you now open it. You stretch it and open it. So that is how the style come out. So this style is classic, especially if you have new gele material. Yes, you will see the gele material is very stand, but this my material is weak because I've been using it almost 2 years to practice. So my people, once you open it, just use pin to secure the area that need pin, like that place need pin. After you open it, just use pin. And when you are using your pin, try and be careful. It's very easy. Just pin it. You can use 2 to 3 pin, depend on you. So just use pin on the both sides. Use pin here, use pin there. Yes, my people, sometimes when you dress and you need to tie your hair tie, nobody to tie it for you. It looks so frustrating. But if you have idea, some people say once they dress, they can't raise up their hand. What I do, I tie my gele before I wear my dress. If your dress is very tight, your gown is very tight, you can't raise your hand up. First, do your head wrap before you wear your dress. Okay, you see the way I do it now. Some people like it like this. Some people like it like this. But if you don't want the hedge, like that hedge, to be flying, if you don't want the top to look big, you can still fold it. You fold it inside and use pin. So I will fold it now. You will see the way I will fold it inside. You will see the way I will fold it. My people, it's like I didn't introduce myself from the beginning. Yes, in case you are watching me for the first time, I'm so sorry. My name is Deck Beauty. Yes, I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook. I have 2 YouTube. I have 2 Facebook. Please, my Facebook name is Deck Beauty. The other one is Deck Beauty Life. The same with Facebook. Deck Beauty and Deck Beauty Life. Yes, Facebook, I always do live on Facebook. Okay, right now, what I will do, in case you don't like it to be flying like that, the boat hedge, now it's very easy. Just do your fold it. Fold it, you see, fold that inside, fold it nicely, and use pin. The other side, the same way. Okay, let me continue my introduction. I base here in United Kingdom, London. In case you want to book me for your event, I'm available to travel worldwide. My sister, you that is watching me, my people, I am all you want beauty. I do makeup, I do gele, I do traditional bridal hair, I do the bridal hair as well. So I give people makeup the way they want it. If you want loud, you want natural, I give it to you. If you want big eyelash or you don't want eyelash, I give it to you the way you want it. Yes, so any gele style you want me to tie for you, provided you get the material. If you get the gele, I will give it to you any style you want. Yes, so my people, I sell makeup product as well and oil perfume. My number is there, contact me. Yes, so as you can see, this is the final. Just imagine on your Women's Day, you tie this a tie. You are good to go. Yes, some pastor wife, they say they don't know how to tie a tie. Ah, my auntie, learn. That person you always rely on may disappoint you one day. So if you learn, at least in case nobody is there to do it for you, you will do it. Operation, do it yourself. I have makeup video as well, how to apply makeup. I do more explanation on my Facebook live. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.
Yeah. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. In case you need your gele to be tight.